Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Docket Timberworks. How y'all doing? So we're out in my shop, and it's cold out. It's freezing, and well, I kind of put this off for far too long, and now it's caught up to me. I've been working out of town and haven't had time to do anything, and now it's time to clean shop and rearrange stuff. So this is where I'm at. So here's my lathe where I normally work at. As you can see, it's up against the wall. I don't like this, where I have to reach over, possibly rotating machinery to grab my tools. So my thought is I'm going to pull this out, spin it around, and then I'll have this whole wall here for storage of tools and have the lathe out more out this way. I'm thinking about putting shower curtains up, trying to contain these shavings some, because I'm starting to get worried about the health effects of the dust. So that's really what started this is housekeeping and dust control. So my shop is a total wreck. I've got my sharpening station over there, my bandsaw over there. Everything's kind of disconnected. And I kind of just started back here. This tool chest has really been helping me out and get everything organized and consolidated into one area. I have to get this workbench cleaned up. And so this is where I work on my chainsaws and everything else. And you can see it's just covered in chips and shavings and from turning. And so I have to separate the two. I got to get this workstation cleaned up because, as you can see, I've got a saw apart, another saw apart, and I don't need to be losing pieces and parts to these old saws. So it's a long process. It's moving stuff over here, putting it in the tool chest, moving stuff from here over to here to get this organized to be able to move stuff back to it. This is my turning box. Look at that wreck. But I've opened up this one. This one's completely clean, so we can start putting more stuff into that one. I got a lot going on, but I will be back to you guys turning. I might have to do some how-to or more kind of instructional, informational videos until I can get this station cleaned up and where I need to do to get you guys some quality footage. I had tried going back into the hard drive and finding some stuff, but that ain't right. You know, I should just move forward and try and put out the best content that I can for y'all. But yeah, I need to get dust collection going. That's critical. I have this unit here, and I am thinking about, there's a hole right there, and that's just vinyl siding. I'm thinking about setting this and my air compressor up right on the outside wall of this, building a little lean-to for it, and then piping the dust collection and the air in. That'll free up the space of these two large units and also cut down noise for myself and for you guys when we're filming. So, and it's dark back in there, but that is all wood storage and problems of a wood hoarder. My son's panning around and trying to show it. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me this winter to try and get things organized and where we're going. So like I said, I might have to do more kind of informational videos for a minute until I get that area cleaned up and organized and this lathe station cleaned up and organized. I haven't been cutting wood. I haven't been doing nothing. I've been working out of town for like 3 months, and I only have my weekends, and I've been spending that with my family. So I try and do my best to get back to y'all. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching the video and checking me out. And thanks, friends. We'll catch you on the next one. Okay.